Unitherm was the first company to introduce a dynamic burner into the industry. This is definitely one direction for the future. It is necessary nowadays to fire especially secondary fuels.
Hello and welcome to this Cement Alliance Cement Talks. We are very excited to be here. My name is Javier Torres from VIDMAR and KEMEX INGESOA. And with me today, our good friend, our good dear friend, Mr. Reinhard from Unitherm. So, hello Reinhard.
Hello.
It's a pleasure to have you here. Thank you for joining us today. Please introduce yourself to our audience.
Hello everybody, my name is Reinhard Ringdorfer. I'm from Unitherm Cemcon, a company based in Vienna in Austria, and we are a worldwide provider of firing systems for the cement industry.
Could you tell us a little bit about your products? Because we know for a fact that Mr. Reinhard here is our griller. So he must have a very good burner.
Thank you. Thank you for the compliment. As I said, we are supplying firing systems, which means we can supply everything for the combustion in the cement plant, which means burner for rotary kiln, for calciner, hot gas generators, all the accessories that come with it, so igniters, lances, burner trolleys and so on. Plus we also supply fuel supply stations for liquid and gaseous materials.
Mm-hmm. That's very interesting. Why is your Unitherm burner, for example, so unique from the competitors? What added value can you give to the customer?
The rotary kiln burner, the MS burner that we are using, is our key product, and it is especially designed as a high performance burner, which is necessary nowadays to fire especially secondary fuels. So the industry is going for many years now in the direction to reducing fossil fuels, going more into secondary fuels. And Unitherm was the first company to introduce a dynamic burner into the industry, which has proven to be very successful, especially, as I said, when it comes to solid secondary fuel firing. We can reach the highest substitution rates with this burner.
Okay. And you know, I have heard about the satellite burner, if I'm not mistaken. Is your newest development of equipment that you have designed in Unitherm. Can you tell us about the applications, if you're active here in the US, South America, wherever?
As I said, for the secondary fuel firing, we have developed around 8 years ago the satellite burner. The concept is not new, but we have pushed it a little bit further. So instead of using a static pipe as it was used before, we have designed an actual burner with a fuel channel, with a cooling air, with adjustment possibilities. And we are promoting this worldwide, of course, as Europe is, let's say, furthest along in the substitution rate of secondary fuels. Most of our satellite burners are installed there, but we are working on projects. So we will be delivering the first satellite burners to Mexico, for example, and other countries worldwide. But this is definitely one direction for the future where we are going, and we have big hopes in this.
So you would say that as an industry, focusing on the US market, the time is coming where you will be able to provide this solution for the alternative fuels, no?
Yes, definitely. So what we have seen in the last few trips and also in these trips we did together now, the time has come. So there are several plants who are already actively burning secondary fuels. Mainly it's still liquid fuels, which are rather easy to fire, but they start to fire solid secondary fuels. And for this you need not only a good and let's say flexible main burner, but the satellite burner definitely is very good for this application.
Thank you very much, Reinhard, for taking the time for this Cement Alliance talks. We are very happy to have you here and very happy for you to be part of our team, our Cement Alliance. Thank you for listening to our interviews and our discussions. We in the Cement Alliance, we are proud members of this organization, and please visit us in the cementalliance.org. You will find all the information about all the companies, and you can schedule private individual talks with the experts. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you once again, Reinhard.
Thank you very much, Javier, and thanks everybody.